Storybook Moments. Children's Storybook Read-Alouds. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe for new stories. Thank you. Reading aloud to you, Snuggle Up, Sleepy Ones, by Claire Friedman and illustrated by Tina McNaughton. The sun paints the sky a warm, glowing red. It's time to stop playing. It's time for bed. In the soft, swampy mud, baby hippo, so snug, cuddles up close for a big hippo hug. Through wild, waving grasses, shy antelope roam. It's been a long day. They're ready for home. Bold leopard cubs rest from practicing roars. They snuggle together, all tired, tangled paws. While up in the treetops, birds twitter and cheep, until quieter and quieter they fall fast asleep. Below in their nest, baby porcupines all curl up, snug and tight in one spiky ball. With tired drooping necks, giraffes flop to the ground, sheltered and watched over, safe and sound. And mischievous monkeys shout down from the trees, "It's not really dark yet. 5 more minutes, please." Zebras lie panting, tired out from their play. They sink into sleep as the sun slips away. Moths go by fluttering, bats flitter by, elephants rumble their deep lullaby. Shadows grow deeper, the lion cubs doze, drowsy heads nod, little eyes start to close. Stars twinkle brightly, the moon softly gleams. Snuggle up, sleepy ones. Hush now, sweet dreams. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story. For more books read aloud, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a lovely day.